Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply transition in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So I have already imported and added the first video on the timeline. Now we're going to add the second video on the timeline, and then we're going to add a transition in between both videos. Let's add the video to the timeline. Now click on transitions right here, and you can see there are so many transitions that you can use in your video. You can also search specific transitions if you want. If you click right here on transitions, then you will see all the specific sections for different kinds of transitions. I usually use glare 2, so we are going to add that transition right now. Click on the transition and drag in between the videos. But remember to add transitions first. You have to split the videos. Otherwise, you can't add any transitions. You can also increase or decrease the duration of the transition. That's how you can apply transition in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.